What's up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. I said channel. It's crazy. It's been so long, guys. I missed y'all. Lamont misses y'all. We're working on getting back together. He's been going through so much. Ooh, that sun. He's been going through a lot. I've been going through a lot. Just got done moving. So now that I'm settled in, I can actually start installing parts again and work on a little bit more content. And I also wanted to get this out before the new year, because I've had this for a little bit now, like since Black Friday. And yeah, let me show y'all what we're working with. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I've been opening it so it had more like protection in it, but Mr. Dave himself came out with an awesome product for our Malibus, for 2.0s and the 1.5s. It's Wastegate. So I got the YouTube channel name on there. I was thinking about the Instagram, but I was like, nah, let's get that YouTube on there. And yeah, so it's pretty much going to be replacing that, and that's what this video is about. He provides brand new hoses, the brand new clamp, obviously the wastegate. The cool thing about his product is he sets it himself, so you don't have to adjust it or anything. It's literally plug and play. So all I gotta do is undo these two bolts, and then I gotta figure out how to get that off officially. But from what I know, all you do is like you put some pressure to it and it is snapped like off, basically. I don't know how that works, but we're about to find out. So see you in a little bit. So guys, I'm still messing with this wastegate. Been here for a couple minutes. If you do this, be warned, you're gonna have a field day. I'm gonna show you on the new wastegate. So on the our wastegates, on at least the 1.5 Malibus, I don't know if the 2.0s are the same, but y'all see this little clip right there, right here? Come on, focus. That little ring. The OEM one has that exact same clip on there, and that's how it stays on. And I'm having a field day trying to get this off. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Other than that, this is really easy. These two bolts are 10s. I lost the other one, but I got one of them. So these two are 10s, and then you just take one of these. Like my brain, I'm sorry guys, I'm running off of 15 hours. I got 30 hours in a work day in 2 days. I'm tired, but I really wanted this on. But the clamps, you use the pliers for the clamps, remove it. It's still stuck on there because of the heat, you know, metal or aluminum. I don't know what this is made out of. So it's made it to it, so I'm gonna probably have to cut this. But other than that, I'm just fighting with this. And after that, this will come off, the other one will go on, and you just rinse and repeat. So let me try to figure this out, because yeah, this is fun. So I'll be right back. Y'all do not understand how happy I am. I was like, this shit hard, I'm about to give up. So let me show y'all what I ended up doing. So, okay, this is in here. Dang, I won't be able to get that in there. Ugh. Well, it was in there. So what I found easy, once you obviously remove the heat shield, I removed my heat shield a long time ago. I should have made a video on that, so that was my bad, guys. But what I did was I took the knife, right? Came under this line, be careful with that. And you'll feel the knife get stuck. If the knife gets stuck in this area or anywhere, wherever the clip is, it'll literally, that's the sign that you're in there. So all I kept doing was bending it down, and it just popped out. It fell somewhere. I ain't worried about it. But now, as y'all see, keep a knife on it, because I was getting frustrated. I was about to give up. But now all that happens now is this comes out. I need two hands for that because it's kind of stuck. But that comes out, these clamps come off, and the new one goes on. I gotta cut the hose that Dave gave to so it's not like extended hoses. But yeah, we're almost there. Other than that one part, you see, this is why it sucks to be like the only YouTuber on about Malibus and stuff. because you discover stuff yourself. Dave did tell me that there was a clip. That's how I knew. He said use a flathead. I wasn't using a flathead. I was getting frustrated. I started using the Allen key. That wasn't working, so I just started giving up. But yeah, no. So about to get this off and see how smoothly this new one go on. So be right back. All right, guys. So we got everything back on. I have not put in the clip to this yet. I gotta go at it from the bottom. I gotta figure that part out. But I pretty much bolted everything else in, other than these, ironically. I think this is good right here, and then down here, that one was kind of hard to do, but I think that's good. I'm gonna bolt these up. I'm gonna pull down this heat shield when it's done, and yeah, scale 1 to 10. Even with now that I know how to actually do that, I say it's about a 8.5, 9 on easy difficulty, because this was fun. This was very fun. And like I said before, sucks being the only YouTuber with any like Malibu content at all, because I'm the one that figure out trial and error. So yeah. So see y'all in a minute. Ready?
Yeah.
Sorry, it's been a while since we made a video. It's just moving. Lamont's going through personal stuff. So this year has been crazy when it was coming down to the end of the year. So we'll definitely be we'll be making more content, especially with the Malibu. Can't wait to show y'all what the clips got going on. Yeah, I promised myself not to work on 2 cars at the same time. I broke that promise. So it is what it is, but you know, situation's a little bit better money wise and everything. So peace out. Like, comment, subscribe, and definitely thank you to everyone that's already subscribed, because there's just want more content, want to inspire more Malibu owners to do more Malibu things, because these cars are not touched at all. And I love being the only one, but I hate it at the same time, because in situations like this, when you're trying to figure out how to install something, no one knows. So other than me, because I find this stuff out as I go. So peace out, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what more videos y'all want. I hope y'all enjoyed this one today. Peace.